Hello, welcome to AutoMaster Training. Today we're going to cover just a couple pieces of the report builder. The first thing I'm going to cover is how to open a report, and we're going to add a new database table from AutoMaster to an existing template report. So I'm going to pull up an example report here, go to my templates folder, and I'm going to pull up the Loan Start New. You guys should be familiar with that. Everyone should have that on their desktop or within their templates folder. When that loads, we're going to have an option to go to Database, Database Fields. Go ahead and click on the plus sign, and you'll see a list of the existing tables with that report. Let's say that we wanted to add the employment table or any other type of a table to that report. We're going to right click on Database Fields with the right mouse button, go to Database Expert. You'll see a list of data. Under the Data tab, you see a list of information here. We're going to click on Current Connections, and that will give you the Auto2K database. We're going to click on the plus sign of AMS User, and this goes out to our server and checks for every available table that's offered right now. And here's the employment. I click the greater than sign, and that's going to add the employment table view to my available selected tables. Okay, now that's added. Now the last thing we want to do is go ahead and click on Links on the tab at the top. I'm going to maximize this just so we can see it. And you'll notice there's a series of links from linking the loan table to each individual table after that. So you notice here that it puts a default link in there from the car to the employment. I'm going to go ahead and delete that link. Right click and delete link, and we're going to take the customer number of the loan table. I'm going to hold the left mouse button and drag that over to the customer number in the employment button. You'll see that my cursor changes to a little arrow, which is telling me that it links. Then I will right click on that loan, go to Link Options, and do a left outer join. Now what that allows Crystal to do is it tells me to grab every loan, but also grab every employment table within there, no matter if it has an employment information or not. And that way you'll see all the loans on the left-hand side. The way that you know that this is successful is you'll notice that this link has an arrow pointed to the right, just like all the other ones. Then you go ahead and hit OK. And now we can successfully use that employment table and all the fields underneath it within this Loan New table.